Hey there, design lovers! Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, where we dive deep into the world of beautiful homes. Today, I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into the captivating world of mansion-style house design and best mansion exterior facade ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. This architectural style embodies luxury, sophistication, and timeless elegance. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the essence of mansion design, its benefits, facade considerations, and some inspiring ideas to help you envision your dream mansion. The term mansion evokes images of sprawling estates, grand entrances, and meticulously crafted details. A mansion is more than just a large house. It represents a statement of prestige and refined taste. Mansion-style house design typically incorporates classical architectural elements, such as symmetrical facades, prominent columns, intricate moldings, and high ceilings. These homes often feature expansive floor plans with numerous rooms, including formal living and dining areas, libraries, home theaters, and multiple bedrooms with en-suite bathrooms. The overall aesthetic is one of grandeur, opulence, and enduring quality. Choosing a mansion-style design offers several compelling advantages. First and foremost, it provides ample space for comfortable living and entertaining. The generous room sizes and open layouts create a sense of spaciousness and allow for seamless flow between different areas of the house. Moreover, mansion designs often incorporate luxurious amenities, such as swimming pools, tennis courts, and landscaped gardens, enhancing the overall living experience. Beyond functionality, a mansion serves as a powerful expression of personal style and success. It's a home that makes a lasting impression and provides a legacy for generations to come. The facade of a mansion is its defining feature, setting the tone for the entire property. Careful consideration should be given to the architectural style, materials, and landscaping. Symmetry is a key element in many mansion designs, creating a sense of balance and harmony. Incorporating prominent architectural features, such as columns, porticos, and balconies, adds visual interest and grandeur. The choice of materials also plays a crucial role. Natural stone, brick, and high-quality stucco are popular choices that convey a sense of permanence and elegance. Finally, landscaping should complement the architecture, with manicured lawns, mature trees, and well-designed gardens enhancing the overall curb appeal. What is the best facade style for mansion-style house design? Several facade styles are well-suited for mansion designs, each with its unique characteristics. First, Georgian. Characterized by symmetry, balanced proportions, and classical details. Second, Federal. Similar to Georgian but with more delicate ornamentation and elliptical fanlights. Third, Neoclassical. Inspired by ancient Greek and Roman architecture, featuring prominent columns and pediments. Fourth, Beaux-Arts. Known for its elaborate ornamentation, grand scale, and use of classical elements. Fifth, Mediterranean. Features arched windows, terracotta roof tiles, and stucco walls, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The best choice depends on your personal preferences and the overall design concept. Now, let's try to explore the collection of top 10 best mansion-style house design ideas to inspire your imagination. 1. Grand entrance with double doors. Make a powerful first impression with oversized double doors in rich wood or wrought iron, perhaps framed by a portico or columns. Think polished floors and a statement chandelier inside. 2. Soaring ceilings with ornate moldings. Emphasize spaciousness with high ceilings and intricate crown moldings, ceiling medallions, and decorative plasterwork for a touch of classic elegance. 3. Sweeping staircase. A curved, spiral, or double staircase in rich materials like wood, iron, or marble acts as a stunning focal point. Consider a large window or chandelier above for added drama. 4. Formal dining room with chandelier. Create a sophisticated space for gatherings with a large chandelier, wainscoting, elegant wallpaper, and a substantial dining table. 5. Library with built-in bookshelves. Design a cozy retreat with floor-to-ceiling bookshelves, comfortable seating like leather armchairs, and perhaps a fireplace for a warm ambience. 6. Home theater with plush seating. Build the ultimate entertainment space with tiered seating, a large screen, high-end sound, and plush seating for a true cinematic experience. 7. Spa-like bathroom with soaking tub. Craft a relaxing sanctuary with a freestanding soaking tub, high-end fixtures like a rainfall shower, natural stone, and elegant tile work. 8. Outdoor kitchen and dining area. Extend living outdoors with a built-in grill, refrigerator, ample counter space, comfortable seating, and outdoor lighting for al fresco dining. 9. Infinity pool with stunning views. Create a resort-like feel with an infinity pool that seems to blend into the horizon. Consider a hot tub, waterfall, and comfortable lounge area. 10. Landscaped gardens with fountains. Surround your mansion with manicured lawns, mature trees, vibrant flowers, fountains, pathways, and strategic lighting to enhance curb appeal. Designing a mansion is a significant undertaking, but the result is a home that embodies luxury, comfort, and timeless elegance. By carefully considering the architectural style, facade design, and interior layout, you can create a truly exceptional living space. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration for your own mansion design project. Don't forget to subscribe to Home Inspiration Studios for more design tips and inspiration. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best mansion-style house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.